binoculars. I don't have binoculars, sorry.
You want? Okay, fine. Is he talking on Minecraft? Don't hear anyone except you.
Hello. Hey. I mean, it's just gonna be me, Kuma, and you, which works.
Well, I cannot hear Kuma. That's the problem. He's not talking. Hello?
Sorry.
Do you hear him?
Kuma? Oh, I see your mic trying to talk. Do I have him turned down or something? I shouldn't. No, I don't.
It's gonna be a problem if he cannot talk.
Calm down.
Perfect.
I'm here. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Good.
Alright. Okay. Please rise. We have the prosecutor today, Mr. Kuma,
Yep.
who is prosecuting Mr. Messy Princey
What's up?
for an alleged soul deal gone wrong.
Yep.
Kuma, would you like to state your case?
So, the defendant has made a contract that wasn't clear enough, with some negligible points, which went with a not well handled contract.
Okay. Mr. Messy,
Yes.
what do you have to say on this?
I have to respond to him? I want to
Yes.
make my opening statement. I don't
Okay.
respond to him. Listen. I was in the right. That's it. I'm done, Judge.
Not looking good for the defendant's stand over here.
Yeah. Keep going. Thank you, Cameron.
I feel like my court is not being respected. All right, Kuma, make your first points to the court.
Yes. So,
Shut up.
regarding
Can't play fireworks. What the fuck?
the allegation, if you may, there is a contract which I think in the court we do not have access right now, though, is an important document.
Yeah, I don't know if I can bring that to the court. Can someone transcribe it?
I have the court documents here.
Does
Kuma, you can read.
does it show
and
all
I can
the?
verify.
Does it show the entire? I don't know if I can. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll bring the contract. Can you give me 2 seconds? I'll bring it in court.
You may be excused. You're so getting that 64 TNT. I'm rigging it for you. Hope you know that. Denny and SB are our jurors. Need 3, otherwise it's a tie. Jay, you're also a juror. Congrats. Welcome back, Defendant Messi.
So, 2 seconds?
If you would please present me with the evidence.
Yes, I'll give it to everyone. You and you.
Thank you.
Please provide a copy to the jurors as well.
It's
So
you,
they may
dumbass.
receive-
You're the juror.
Well, no, we have the jury of.
No,
and
you're
the
jury,
JNSA.
judge, jury, executioner. It's
And
that's
as
what
the
we
judge,
agreed.
jury, and executioner, I'm setting 3 juries.
Fine. You know what? Here you go, guys. I don't care. I need to sleep. Someone else? Cameron, do you want to?
Sure, Cameron, get in there.
No? Okay. Alright.
So I would like every
Alright.
people having a copy to take note of the contract, which has multiple clauses, and I would like to go through them to make sure to show that the defendant didn't follow their own rules.
In the interest of time, please only review the clauses that pertain to your case.
Perfect. So let's start with the clauses number 1, voluntary forfeit, or whatever how do you say it. Forfeit. It is said that the
The undersigned.
Okay. It is said, if we go to the second sentence, in addition to be given a curse as a reduction of 1 to 5 maximum hearts determined at the time of signing. However, the defendant did never comply to say that amount.
Okay.
So that's the first point that I would like the defendant to pronounce their
Wait, am I on
explanation on.
stand? I'm not supposed to talk while you talk.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why I'm.
you're presenting your case.
Yeah, this is the first part of it.
Okay.
Well, I did say my case. The contract is.
Oh no, man. I just work here.
I did mention before that the contract, so the old, if we go to the first page, it is contract form VEX 12.8. In said contract, there are mentions of clauses that are not followed by the defendant, one of them being clause number 1. Then if you want me to continue, I can continue. It's really up to you, the judge.
I think clause number 1 is a good statement. If the defendant is not following the clause, then the contract would be void.
Then, if we continue on clause number 2, it is mentioned that so if we go to the page 5, one personal request to be fulfilled and agreed upon by the entity provided it is within the bounds of current dimensional and metaphysical limitations. With that said, defendant didn't make I didn't make a personal request, and only mentioned the soul as a payment into a payment that wasn't even quantifying souls as a payment method. Therefore, defendant never mentioned of souls as being a currency, and hence that too did mention in the past, right before mentioning a soul, that they would only take spoons as payments and not anything else. Following it, clause 3 is now the request. So what I would ask from the defendant, so it would be irreversible. It is said, however, it is the entity reserve the right to restore undersigned souls at its own discretion. With that said, I would request that the entity uses that will to restore the souls that has been taken without following the clauses that they themselves created. And with that said, for all the damage that they made and the time taken to prepare this case, give an additional 64 edible TNTs.
It's funny.
There is also on the clause for no.
I would like to state for the jury
Yep.
that that is a court-approved punishment for emotional damage and time spent preparing for court is reparations in form of 64 edible TNT.
I would also like to add to remove clauses for from the possibility, even though the soul has been taken by the defendant, it would be no longer in their control, and so to remove the fact to stay up to be observed, recorded, or utilize my actions and soul patterns. This is the request.
Okay. Defendant Messi, would you
I can speak
like
now?
to take a stand?
Yes. Wait, take the stand or present my defense?
You can present your defense on the stand.
No, that makes no whatever.
It's more.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Cinematic.
Okay, firstly, I would like to point out what he has mentioned as there was no personal request from his part. Henceforth, there was no contract. All right, I completely agree with that part. Now, that
Objection,
being said,
hearsay?
Yeah, you said it. You didn't hear someone said it. You said it. Hearsay is when you hear someone
there
else
is no
see.
proof
Objection
of that.
postponed. Messi, continue.
There's no proof that you just said it in court? I'm sorry, Mr. Judge, he doesn't even know what he's saying. Sorry. Let me continue.
You may continue.
So, there was, as he said it himself, there was no personal request. Henceforth, it wasn't a soul contract that was being done. I would like to point out that he sold his soul in exchange for the TNT in an auction, and I will now provide proof that this happened. And I will do that by multiple things. Firstly, by calling to the stand J or SV, I don't care, either one. I'll take both. I'll take one at a time, whoever wants to be first. The judge, firstly, do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with that.
You do agree that a witness cannot be a jury. Thank you. All right. Jay, please take the stand. He did agree with that. You are no more jury. I'm sorry, Jay. That happened.
Of course, the jury can take the stand.
No, that makes the judge.
Mr. Jury Member number 1, you may take the stand.
All right.
And Mr.
Jay.
Defendant, I would encourage you to follow my rules, as this is my court, and I am the judge.
This is actually the weed court, but sure. All right.
I'm a judge in the weed court, so.
Jay, you did take part in the auction for the edible TNT, right? Thank you. You did. Your last bid was once fork. Am I right? Something like that. Alright, that good enough, I guess. So what did Kuma? Do you recall what Kuma said after you proposed one fork? The
Objection, Judge. Leading question.
okay. Do
Objection
you know?
sustained. Please reword your question.
Do you know what Kuma said? Something and one spoon. All right. Do you know what Kuma typed in the chat? You don't have to go find. I'll find it. I'm just asking you if you know. I'm not asking. I can't. That's my evidence.
If you don't know, it's fine to say that.
Yeah, I'm asking you if you know. It's yes or no. I don't know. All right.
Okay.
Well, henceforth he doesn't know. I'll bring my second evidence to light, which will show the chat logs of what happened during that moment. Henceforth, after the one fork, which to be clear, Jay did say it was his last bid, so you know, I'm just gonna point that out. I'll send that in MC server chat. Right here, as you can see, Jay firstly said, typed to be clear, 64 darts. I proceed to say nope, only spoons. Jay said one fork. I said nope. Kuma said my soul. I said oh. Squid said no. I said anyone has higher, and I began the countdown. Hey, everyone saw it?
If you said only spoons, why did you? Sorry, just reading chat.
Yes. I mean, if the prosecution wants to.
Spoons.
Right, but if the prosecution wants to bring that point, he can. But for now, it's my defense.
Only spoons.
So to be clear, he did say my soul. I then asked if anyone had higher. He's this entity person. I mean, you guys can see the screenshot.
Objection, Judge. Vague.
It's fake.
It's not a
vague.
Solid.
I'm reading the chat.
You are taking something when you said it was. Judge, may I explain?
This is valid evidence. Please let him continue.
All right. Then I said anyone higher, and I began the countdown. To be clear, at that time, I didn't say anyone higher than who, right? I didn't say if it was higher than Kuma. I just had anyone higher. Then Kuma insisted a second time after I began the countdown to make sure I heard him right. All right? To make sure I heard him right. And then he said my soul a second time. Then I continued the countdown, sorry, not cooldown. 2, 1, okay, and he specified in addition and a spoon. And at this point, I did say soul to Kuma, and now the screenshot gets cut off, and I can send the rest. To give me 2 seconds. I have a big enough monitor to show everything.
Objection, speculation.
Speculation on the fact that I don't have enough enough
the fact
monitor.
You think I wanted you to understand my point?
Oh.
That's just wording.
It is just wording. So then I said sold to Kuma for his soul. And then Jay, as you will understand, you said 07 scammer. What do you know what you were referring to, scammer? It was it me or was it Kuma? Who was the scammer? It was me. Because I stole your winning bid at the time, which was, I don't, like 50 spoons or something, for Kuma Soul. I forgot. It doesn't matter about the spoon.
It's in the
You said
description.
scammer because I stole your leading bid, or someone's leading bid. Is that true? Oh, okay, fair enough. But you did call me a scammer, which the point is that to be clear, you said it so everyone saw it, right? Including Kuma.
Your witness never stated that they called you a scammer.
Yes, he did. He literally said it was you. I'm sorry. Can you at least pay attention to what's going on, Mr. Judge? He
Yes,
did say,
it
in
is
fact,
something else.
he said it was you.
Oh, okay, my bad.
I'm not trying to
As
judge
I
some
was.
respect. So he did call me a scammer,
Yeah,
which
Messi, show me
means
some
I run
respect.
scams. All right, it was stated. It was everyone knew that. All right. I would like to excuse this witness and call in another witness, which is, yes, I run scams. Thank you. Which is SV, please. Can I
Okay.
call SV?
Kuma, is that okay with you?
Yep.
All right. I will do the exchange real quick. All right. SV, please to take the stands. Do you recall Jay calling me a scammer? A bit, yes. These witnesses are incredibly biased. Anyways, I did
Objection
that. Do
argumentative.
you do you remember? Do you remember?
Objection sustained. Messi, what are you
Sorry.
trying to get from this? Please keep it relevant.
Do you remember? Well, I mean, I'm clarifying that they were present and they did, they were actively reading the chat, which they knew what was going on.
Objection
Clarifying that they're
speculation.
present. We already
Well,
know that they're present and that they were reading the chat. Please get on to your point.
I'm sorry. He just objected to speculation, and you just said he was doing it, which is a speculation yourself.
You're a speculation yourself. Respect the badge.
Okay, let me ask a different line of
Why is
question.
Messi stalling? Very true.
SV, did you see me give the TNT that was auctioned off to Kuma? Yes or no? You did not. Well, shit. Did someone else see? Okay, fine. I'll call. It's fine. It's fine. Um, did you partake in the auction? No. Did you witness the auction at all? Yes. All right.
Objection's
The
relevance.
Sorry, I'm getting to it. I thought they saw me. I'll be honest. I thought they saw me give the TNT, so that kind of threw me off. Do you know who won the auction? Okay, thank you. That's all I needed. Thank you. Thank you. For my third witness, I would like to call Kuma.
The prosecutor cannot be called to the stand for a
We already
witness
established
in
in a
his own
previous. We already
in his own
established.
case.
We already established in a previous case that the
Your Honor,
defendant and the prosecution can be brought to.
if I may,
Not in my court of law.
and if I may, Your Honor,
I'm sorry.
defendant did say they had 2 witnesses and not 3.
True. Would the prosecutor like to? I mean, the defendant hasn't really defended any of the points the prosecution's made.
Yeah, I'll
So
be fine for my point.
Sorry, you'll be fine for your point. As in, you're taking the stand or you're not taking the stand? I'm sorry, I'm confused.
Oh,
Is he taking the stand or is he not taking the stand?
I would like to add a point.
you can't cross-examine the prosecutor, but he can take the stand.
I can't. Oh
You
wait,
can't call him to the stand, but he can take the stand. You can't call him to the stand as a witness, but he can take the stand as the prosecution.
this He can call himself
They
to
call me the stand.
this Phil. Okay, my bad. Can I call the first witness back to the stand?
No, it's the prosecution's turn. You've stalled for too
Okay,
long.
fair enough. But to be clear, I would like to state, it wasn't a contract. It was just about him giving his soul during an auction. The contract was just as a memorabilia. All right, it clearly did not, and clearly did not.
Objection. Asked and answered.
No,
It is
I'm
a contract.
stating,
It is written
I'm
on
not
the
asking
first
a question.
page.
I'm not asking. This witness is excused. I'm not talking to the witness. I don't know why they're still here. Um,
Yeah, dude, why are you still here? Get out of
the
here.
witness was excused a
Nobody
long
wants you
time
here.
ago. To be clear, I'm restating the fact that this was not a sole contract, and it was instead giving in an auction. All right.
Understood.
Thank you. I will let the prosecution
Prosecution take the stand.
press. I mean, I thought it was cross-examination, but sure, they can take the stand if they
Actually,
want.
yeah, you're so right. You're so right. It's cross-examination, of course.
To start up with the
Messi,
last
while he's
point.
talking, give me a hammer.
Sure.
Can I go? Okay. Mentioning the supposed this is not a contract. If we go to page 1, we can see at the top contract agreement to understand between the undersigned and the entity also known as Messi Princi. If you go to the signature, however,
Objection. The judge said himself the contract was voided.
that's not an objection. Thank you.
Okay, ask and answer then. The judge said himself the contract was voided.
When did
He
I say
said
the
it.
contract is voided? I
You
never
said
said the contract was voided.
this is so rigged.
I understood what you said. I didn't speak on the validity of it.
May I continue?
Well, I don't know. That's up
You
to the
may.
judge. He didn't say it's sustained or rejected. So
Rejected. You may continue.
So if we look at the signature of the document, it is said, if I may, Judge, can you tell me where the signature of my name would be right now? It would be at the no line, which is not the signature.
objection. I don't even know what's that. That's completely wrong. Like, I don't even know what to object. He doesn't even know how Minecraft works. That's completely not how.
Defendants,
That's
shut up.
literally not how Minecraft
Stop
works.
interrupting the court.
This is
How
annoying
would
a little
you
bit.
object
Okay,
to that?
so
It's not within the rules of reality.
Order in the court. Order
It's
in the
not
court.
within the rules of
Order
reality.
in the court.
How is he argumenting something that cannot be done?
Order in the court. Shut up. Shut your pie hole.
I would like to say, jury, you see the defendant
Okay, that's
trying really hard to break the suspicion that he did these mistakes. With that said, I would like to mention that my point was said after of saying that I'm selling my soul, after the defendant said they would only take spoons. Henceforth, the defendant didn't even take the time to ask or even mention that it was not okay or if they are fine with it. Hence my point. Thank you.
True.
Wait, sorry. I needed to ask myself if it was wrong. Sorry. Can I cross his cross, I guess?
You can cross this cross.
Thank
Go
you.
for it.
So, I'm gonna. This is gonna be a real doozy. Judge, can you please take the stand, or can you come here or something?
No.
Sure.
I mean, he needs
I'll
to
take the
know.
stand. Give me a second.
he needs to know how Minecraft works, I guess, so that the court can like properly. All right, can you do me a favor? Can you open this book and do you see the button sign, as in SIGN?
Yeah.
Can you press on it?
Sign.
What is it asking you to do once you press on the button sign
It's asking
S?
me to sign and close.
It's not asking you for a book title?
Nope.
Enter book title.
It is asking me to sign my name. Can you let the jury see? I'm afraid not. I don't.
Yeah, it's kind of
I can't.
impossible at this point. You have to trust the judge because he's unbiased.
Yeah. It appears to me, as the judge in this case, that you are trying to unfairly steal Kuma's soul by stating that not only did you take it in a auction that you said you'd only be accepting spoons for, which Kuma could have been offering their soul as a joke, like that wasn't an acceptable means of currency.
To be
But
clear,
also, the contract
are you
means of stealing
prosecuting?
his.
Are you
Please
prosecuting?
shut up. Please be quiet.
To be
But
clear,
also, the contract means of stealing his soul are invalid because where he would sign his name, he signed no. Prosecution, is your name No? Is your legal name No?
I
Is your
will have to
nickname
deny
No?
this,
to be
Your Honor.
clear,
Is your sign No? Is your number No?
I didn't
Messi,
do
you
that,
need to
no.
let it go.
let me. All right. To be clear, the contract is voided. I would agree on that point. So putting the word no in a contract does not make you sign that contract in the name of a no. Second, you can sign whatever you want as long as you sign it. It still counts as
Your
you
Honor,
signing it.
I can prove
But he
my
didn't put
point
his
by
agreement in the
signing
contract.
official. Your Honor,
You can write whatever you want. You don't even have to write your own name for a signature. It is
Your
still
Honor, I
it
can
is
But you
prove you
still
that
have
this
to
is not
put
my
an
signature.
agreement in the contract.
to be clear, the contract is voided
Would you
as agreed.
provide that, please?
But once you click the button
Yes.
sign, that's where you sign. You don't sign by writing stuff in the.
Your Honor, I feel unsafe with the defendant being so close.
Okay. Messi,
Alright.
do you feel the contract is voided? Kuma, do you
Yes.
feel the contract is voided?
Yes, I agree.
It is voided. Yeah, I can accept that it's voided.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're moving on from the contract. In this auction,
Thank
you said that spoons were the only acceptable means of currency, as provided in the logs you so graciously provided to the court today.
Yes. Yes, I did. I did
Would
say
you
that.
say,
Yes.
would you say that
Why are you
that the
asking the
soul
questions?
Dude, shut up. Would you say that spoons that souls are a spoon?
Yes.
No.
I'm sorry. There was someone who
Objection,
traded.
just wrong.
Someone traded his soul for spoons. Henceforth, soul has a spoon value.
Spoons
If
can be
people,
traded for goods and services. That doesn't
yes,
make
goods and
goods and
services.
services
Do
the
goods
same.
and services have a value in spoons? If you can purchase them for spoons,
Value doesn't equate to equal sign in JavaScript.
it doesn't. It's what people are willing to buy and sell for. Someone
Objection.
sold
Page
his soul.
5. One personal request to be fulfilled. If someone
I thought the
decided to take
contract was
spoons,
The
voided.
contract is void.
I'm sorry. Why is he keep mentioning the contract?
Alright. You see the contract? He's gone.
The contract
We
Okay,
agreed
is
the
okay,
voided.
contract is
perfect.
void.
Yep, okay,
Someone
good.
did exchange their soul for spoons. Henceforth, souls have a spoon value. Dirt is selling somewhat. No one is selling dirt for spoons.
Objection, speculation.
Of course, yeah,
Sustained.
that's sustained.
Very
Yeah.
speculated.
That is very speculative. However, I did not see the value in the dirt.
Okay.
I
But
did see
do
a
you
value.
agree Do
And
you
the soul.
agree that regardless of what you see as value,
I'm
that a
the one
soul
doing
is
the
not a
auction.
spoon?
I'm the one doing an auction, to be clear.
Did
Also, I'm the one doing. Okay, firstly, I'm the one doing an auction. Second off, he did take the TNT. If you're part of a scam and you did take the reward from it, you're indulging in that scam. Thirdly, souls have a spoon value because people are willing to purchase and sell their soul for that
Objection. Asked
value.
and answered.
Yeah,
I don't know what that means, so
it's
we'll
not a
postpone it.
question. I'm not
Spoon-
asking any
You
for.
brought back
I'm
the
not
same
asking.
point
I'm
that
not
we just
asking.
talked about speculation.
What do you mean? No, we're talking about dirt when he said the speculation. It's not speculative that someone sold their soul for spoons. It's a fact.
Do you have proofs?
Yes. I
We're
have.
not bringing that proof. That's irrelevant.
You
Okay.
didn't bring it at first. It's not a proof, the viable proof.
I can
It could be-
prove. I can
This
bring
is gonna
it.
last hours if you tear into everything he says. That's
I can
irrelevant.
bring it.
Messi, stop making irrelevant points.
How is that irrelevant? I'm stating the
Just
fact that
because
souls
a
have
spoon
a
can be
value
sold
for spoon.
for a spoon. Okay. If
Second
you buy a
off,
hairbrush from Walmart, does that mean the hairbrush is the
worth
currency we're
$5
paying
is
for
worth
it?
$5. Yes, it's worth $5 because I purchased for $5. Second off, he did take the item. He participated in the scam. He willingly took the benefits from it. If you commit fraud by stealing the bank due to a electronic error and you take the money and you keep it without returning to the authorities, you are still part of the fraud and you can be prosecuted for it. I am admitting to fraud. I don't care about that. I am not I am not on
Objection
trial
privilege. Come
I'm
on.
not. I am privilege on what? I am not on trial.
Order in the court. Order.
Violations of best evidence. There's so
Go
many
back to the
problems with
defendant stand.
what the
I am
defendant
not-
I'm
just
ready
said.
to give my verdict.
I am not on
Defendant,
trial.
Defendant, go back to
Please.
the defendant stand. Go.
I'm not
go
on
back.
trial for
Out.
fraud. I am on trial
Go
for
back to the
stealing a
defendant stand.
soul, allegedly. Which I did not. It was voluntarily given to me through the auction. Now, I'm sorry, I didn't finish my phrase. I am not on trial. It's because I kept getting interrupted by the judge. So to be clear, the soul
Might I state for
was
the jury that this man is flustered and
the
therefore
soul
definitely guilty.
the soul was given to me.
Your
You
Honor.
cannot push me. The soul was given to me.
Objection with
Willing-
privilege. You asked the defendant to
What
go
the
back to
fuck
their
does that
place,
mean?
and they don't.
He doesn't even know what it means. The soul was given to me voluntarily.
Objection forfeit. Use words I understand.
I can give back the hearts I stole. The soul was given to me.
No. No. Okay. No.
You did admit to stealing.
I did admit to stealing his heart. Yeah, sure. Why not? I can admit to that.
All right, I'm ready for closing remarks. Kuma,
Yes.
would you like to? I don't even know if you need to convince the jury. This is some BS. Would you like to restate
The defendant
how
mentions
Messi unfairly stole your soul?
the
hearts,
defendant said they
and your
stole my
time?
heart. However, they don't have any proofs of the additional art for them, and I don't know if Minecraft has an item named a heart. With that said, there was a message that was sent that sadly I do not have a screenshot, so it is maybe not the best example, but that I got my soul taken without my consent. Thank you.
What?
Wait, so, I'm sorry. You don't want your hearts back?
There's no evidence.
I want my soul back. That's the point. Was never the art. The point was the soul.
Wait, the hearts are not related to the soul. You're still gonna be at 19 heart if I give you back your soul. You do know that, right?
9 hearts. You can't have 19 hearts.
I just want my soul back. That's the point of all this. It's the soul. And now I want compensation with 64 edible TNTs.
Wait, so you don't care about your health?
I don't care about my health. I can be sick. But my soul. I care about my soul.
Oh, that's fine with me. I agree with those terms. I can.
And
I can.
64 edible TNTs.
I don't have any.
Defendant,
I literally don't have 64 edible TNTs. How can I do that? It's. How
That's
can
your
I?
problem afterward.
I'm sorry. What?
defendants, would you like to make your closing remarks?
That is not my problem. Yeah, sure. I agreed to give his soul back. The hearts he doesn't get back, and I cannot. I didn't make one unique TNT, but I cannot make more. I don't know what to tell you, man.
They need to find a way. If they got one, they can get more. They need to pay the 64 TNTs, and they did say they agree with the things.
Picked up against the zoo. Yeah, he did pick it up. Yeah, I cannot make the TNT. It's beyond it's beyond the limitation of vanilla Minecraft.
Jury, yay or nay?
Yay! I already accepted. Like,
No, they accepted for the soul, not the 64 TNTs, which is a problem because
which is physically not possible to
it
be
is
done.
possible. You got one. There is a
Yes,
way to
I
get
got a
more.
unique. I did get a unique TNT once.
There's no proof it's a unique one.
Well, yes, I'm the one who made it. It is unique.
So you're the one that made it, so you can make 64 more.
See, when making
63
it, I'm 64 more. I'm assuming, but when making it, it was stipulated that it was unique.
I never heard that.
What? I said it in the chat. I didn't say it out loud.
Was it?
Yes,
You did say it was unique.
thank
It
you.
said it was unique,
Yes,
but you did create it.
yes, I created with the exception that it was unique.
Does any of the other jurors want to comment? I've been ignoring chat because there's been a lot of chat chatter. If one of the jurors would like to comment on the case, I would say guilty. You need to consider his messy frauds and theft charges. This is small claims. We
You
do
can
criminal
bring
courts
Messi
back.
to to court afterward.
I'm not doing that afterwards, but SV Cameron, would you like to comment? Messi is guilty. I see. SV, the last juror, she's a tiebreaker. Guilty or something, IEP. It's really late. Alright. I hereby court order that the defendant Messi Princey pay Kuma in reprimands of his soul, his stolen heart, and 64 edible TNT for court fees.
Cannot make
Bang,
the
bang,
TNT.
bang, 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 bang,
Thank
bang.
you, Your Honor.
You must. For justice.
I will now finish the transcript with
I'm
the
sorry. You
recording.
said, what did you say? What did I need to give? You said
The soul,
TNT,
the
hearts,
heart,
and
and the
soul.
TNT.
He did agree to not let me.
That's not what the judge said.
So we did not agree on anything.
They counted that it was fair for me to get back my health.
Well, I'm confused.
It's court ordered.
Did we agree or did we not agree?
We agreed with
Well,
what the judge
jury
said.
agreed.
It's final
Judge
judgment.
agreed.
Okay.
I'm judge, jury, executioner.
Okay, thank you. So you're the executioner. Good luck executioning all that. I can give your soul back. That's no problem. I cannot create any TNT, so that's your problem. And the hearts, I cannot create hearts.
But you took it.
You said you said the opposite earlier.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did say the opposite. It was a lie. Don't worry about it, guys.
Oh my god. Oh no. Under oath too. Yeah.
I would like
oath.
to bring back to start. He did lie in court.
I did lie multiple times, but I can give you your soul back, no problem.
SMH. I didn't even get to do my messy impression for you calling me to court. Hoping you
Thank
told
you,
me to
Mushroom.
stand. So, fraud, perjury on the stand, and theft. It's not looking good
I
for you
will
defendants.
I will sue for mistrial because the judge is incredibly biased.
I am not in that.
Well,
So not right now, obviously,
sue
but
denied.
that's not how it works. So until then, he's not getting anything until we do the mistrial
I'll
thing.
be the judge of that.
Man, give him his soul back. He's not gonna log in for another month.
I can give his soul back, yeah.
And the art, because it's part of
In
the
the
contract.
hearts.
The contract was voided.
Then
Well,
the payment of the art should be voided too.
I didn't take the hearts. You have a curse on you, so good luck.
Literally. Right.